Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So in this video I've come again for doing the practice of my English speaking. I've chosen a topic for speaking in this video, and so I basically do practice of English videos after choosing the cue card and speaking on that, and that is very helpful for me, like speaking on the cue card. Because of that, like, I'm able to like speak fluently and able to build content because of choosing a different cue card in every single day, and so that helps me. And if you want to do the practice, you can also choose the topic. So the topic is for today is about describing a bag that you want to own. So this is the cue card, and I have wrote down the words which I'm going to use it like while structuring the content basically. So I'm going to start a time watcher here as well. So let's see how much I'm able to speak. Like basically the requirement for like speaking on the cue card is 2 minutes only. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So, so if I talk about myself, like I do have a multiple carry-on baggage, such as like hand baggage, backpackers. So after getting these all baggage, I'm looking for one tracking bag, because I want to plan to tracking in Himachal Pradesh, and because of that I was looking for one bag which is very I'm looking for a bag which is 30 to 25 kg baggage allowance there. So, baggage basically that requirement there, 20 to 30 kg space I need. So for that I just see multiple bags over the online platforms. So I found out one Nike's bag which is related to that, but after checking that in Nike's bag there is you cannot able to use it more space. You don't able to use it very frequently, because in tracking there is lot of things happen like raining, and other thing is that you are also taking too much of your clothing, and there is tracking instrument also there which you want to carry on, but in that particular bag you cannot able to put all the things. So and that is also costlier for me. So after getting multiple things, like multiple companies bag like Nike's, Adidas, and other Reebok, all the bags I've checked, so I didn't find suitable for me. So after that I just went and I just got a suggestion from my friend who got a decathlon, and over there I found out multiple bags which is suitable to my requirement. So I found out one bag which is like less expensive as well, and there is too much space, too much that is if effective for like tracking bag. That is only a tracking bag basically. You can put all the things like slipper, there is properly all the things available for that. So I bought it, and that is a reasonable price as well. I'm looking for and there is also one added advantage there, that if you within 10 year if your VAT got tear, so you can replace it. So with the 10-year warranty I've got that bag, and that is cost me around 6,000. That is a plus point. And so after getting there is a lot of things I see, and I found out very useful for me. So yeah, this is the cue card for today's video, and I just see like how much I'm able to speak. I'm going to add timer whichever point I have spoken. So you hope you see my videos and you find something valuable. So in this video, that is it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to